Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool original Mickey Mouse telephone, and this is Diane's equipment from MA. And this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now, these original style Mickey Mouse telephones are highly collectible and very sought after. And people really like these units and they want to have them repaired. We're going to run through a little bit about what's going on with Mickey. Mickey's arm and hand, the hook hanger for the receiver, the handset, is totally broken away from Mickey. The linkage that is attached to the arm and hand of Mickey runs to the inside of the Mickey telephone, so it's much larger than it seems. We're going to go ahead and locate the part that is needed. We also want to replace the handset cord, and then we will be troubleshooting the transmit, the receive, the hook switch, the network. We want to make sure that the network is wired properly and that all the connections are tight. So we will be going through the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on Mickey. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool Mickey Mouse telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with the repairs to this really cool Mickey Mouse telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. It is pretty quiet today, but if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is go ahead and use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. I'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now we want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that Mickey is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
Today is Saturday, August 21st. The current time, 8:57 p.m. and the temperature, 77 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can call one other number. We can call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool original style Mickey Mouse telephone has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Diane and she can enjoy this telephone once again. I'm sure Mickey's going to look great wherever he's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.